Ko ia tētahi o ngā whakaawe kāpara o te ao Māori i tōna wā. Engari, kua hinga a kahurangi Temuranga June Jackson e 82 o ana tau. I tino mōhiotia ia mo tōna aroha nui me tōna whakapau kahanui ki te hapori. Ko ia te toi hau o Muma i tāmaki makaurau mo te rua te kautau. Tāpiri atu ki tēnā, ko ia te mema auroa o te poari utu here o Aotearoa. Toko toru wāna tamariki ko tētahi, ko tō tātou minita whakawhanake Māori a Willie Jackson. A nei rā te whakamaharatanga a te karare ki aia.
You know, everything that I've done, I didn't think it was that exceptional. You know, I just took it for granted that everybody does it. Okay, all done? Fantastic.
I suppose you think you can be called Dane?
Thank you all for coming today to help me celebrate this talk. If I can be of inspiration to younger women coming through and encouraging them to be whatever they want, because you can, you know. It's entirely up to you. It's not an easy road, but if whatever it is you want, you go after, you will get.
Can most people be rehabilitated?
Most. I think if we didn't think that they could be rehabilitated, what would be the point of sitting on the parole board? The statistics clearly state that many of us are very much in love with alcohol, and that it is detrimental to our health and to our future.
Of course there's a lot of people out there that should be taking this responsibility. Where our people go in the future is very dependent on the leadership that we are providing today. But we're all worried about ourselves and not worrying about anyone else.
If you're in good spirits, you can do anything. And whether you're rich or not, life can still be good, and that's what I have discovered.
Wahine tino pakari arawa atu e tangi a taririki ana te motu kia koe e te mareikura haere atu rā koe ki o tūpuna. E te whare mate, Willie, Huck, kia kaha rā koutou.